project is Smart Health Monitoring System using IoT. This has two parts mainly, a fall detector and a pulse oximeter plus temperature sensor part. Thanks to our guide Sugesa for his valuable support and guidance. First part is a pulse oximeter plus temperature sensor part. So this is how the pulse oximeter is located. This will measure the heart rate as well as the oxygen content in blood, that is the SpO2 level in blood. So this will be generally attached to the finger of the patient. Next part, behind the watch like part, we have the LM35 temperature sensor, which will be measuring the temperature and giving values in degrees Celsius. This can be easily attached to our hand and it is very comfortable and easy to use. So this is how we will attach it to our hand, and there is a switch to turn it on and off. It is very easy to turn the device on as well as to off, and attach it to our hand as well as to remove from our hand. So this is how it is connected to the pulse oximeter, which is located at the tip of the finger. So the readings from this will be visualized as a chart and represented in a table in a website. So when we are connected to the device and the switch is turned on, it takes readings and we can see it in the website like this as a table and also as a chart represented in the same website. This can be accessed from anywhere, so the caretakers, health professionals, and relatives can get to know about the various health parameters of the patient connected to our smart health monitoring system. So this is how the chart look like. Next part is a fall detector module, which will be taking readings of the patient and will give us an immediate notification when fall is detected. So when we are connected to the fall detector part, it will read 1 if a fall is detected. So here this will be generally connected to the collar of the patient, wrist collar, then only it will work if it is turned on. So here for demonstration purpose, I have just connected it to my hand. If that sudden movement reads the value 1 and an immediate notification will be obtained. This is also rechargeable and this is how it look like. This is how we can connect it to our body. It's also small and has less weight. So a sudden movement will be measured and a 1 will be indicated. This is IFTTT. We are making use of Adafruit IO. So here we have set some criteria, that is if a data on Adafruit is set to 1, that is a fall is detected, I will get an email to my personal Gmail account. Also it will give an immediate rich notification on my mobile phone if the data on the fall feed is equal to 1. So these are the two modules that we have in our system. This is the kind of IFTTT notification that we will obtain in our phone with a sound fall is detected. These are the team of our developers. Thank you all.